Hi, Tom Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And you can see the current weather scenario. We do have a frontal system, a weak cold front, which is making its way slowly through the ArkLaTex here, and it will continue to sag southward during this Tuesday night as well as through Wednesday. And as it does so, we'll probably see some more showers and thunderstorms develop near this frontal system. And then as it moves down towards the coast, that rain threat will end tomorrow evening. High pressure will build into the middle of the country, and that will result in a little bit drier air moving into the ArkLaTex, which will pretty much end our rainfall threat for the rest of the 7-day period for the most part, minus a slight chance towards the middle of next week. As far as temperatures with the front moving through, looking at lows tonight, once again in the low to middle 70s. That includes 72 degrees in Texarkana, 75 in Shreveport, 74 tonight for the nighttime low in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow actually below normal because we'll see that decent chance of rain. Quite a few clouds across the region tomorrow as we'll settle into the mid to upper 80s for highs over most of the area. That includes 87, 88 degrees or so for Shreveport, right around 86 tomorrow in Texarkana, 87 in Atlanta, and 89 for the daytime high tomorrow in Manny. Now, as far as the rainfall threat, here's a look at Robin Start of Futurecast, and possibility we could see as temperatures warm up here for the rest of this Tuesday afternoon, perhaps low 90s. Could see a few pop-up storms trying to redevelop in that heat. Futurecast showing that occurring over the southern sections of the area. That will probably diminish this evening, and then overnight tonight we'll see some more showers and thunderstorms develop near the front over the northern sections of the area. That activity will weaken as it moves to the south during the daytime hours Wednesday, and then as we go through Wednesday night, what's left of the rain ends. The clouds begin to decrease as we'll see a partly cloudy sky tomorrow night and Thursday. Expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Very slight chance for the spotty shower over the southwestern sections of the area, but most of the ArkLaTex Thursday will stay dry as we try to get a little bit drier air in here. And you can see we will totally clear out across the region for Thursday night, and that dry weather pattern and clear weather pattern will continue through the Labor Day weekend. Rainfall potential, you can see Futurecast still indicating the northern half of the ArkLaTex will see the brunt of the rainfall, which is on the way. Another inch or so will be possible basically in areas between Interstate 20 and Interstate 30, as you can see there. Further to the south, rainfall totals probably half an inch or less. So the potential is there that we could see another inch or so across the heart of the ArkLaTex tonight through tomorrow. As far as the overall pattern, you can see once we get that front down to the south, upper level high pressure will kind of settle in. Eventually, that will kind of put a cap on any thunderstorm chances for us heading into the Labor Day weekend. Also will result in a little bit above normal temperatures during the day, but the slightly drier air at night will allow temperatures to dip into the upper 60s to low 70s for nighttime lows, which, by the way, is pretty much normal now as those average highs and average lows are now slowly beginning to fall. But you can see that upper level ridge right across the Rockies. That's what's going to keep us mainly dry through the weekend and into the first half of next week. As far as the update on the tropics, we do have Tropical Storm Dorian, which is now encountering some drier air. It is going to slide its way towards the north and east here moving forward, and or north and west, I should say, and it looks like still we are going to see a landfall this weekend over Florida. The big question for us is how far west will this system get before it gets sucked up to the north. It does not appear at this point that it'll move far enough to the west that it'll impact our weather directly. Right now, odds are that it may make it into the northeastern edge of the Gulf, but it should get picked up and move back to the north and away from the ArkLaTex as we go through next week. So all in all, keep an eye on Dorian, but right now it looks like its impact on the ArkLaTex will be minimal as it stays to our east. All that said, 7-day forecast showing you that our best chance of rain will be tonight and tomorrow, and then a minor chance for the rain, especially southwestern half of the area for Thursday. You can see another slight chance perhaps next Tuesday as we'll see highs 80s tomorrow, low to middle 90s for the rest of the week. Nighttime lows will be in the upper 60s, low 70s in Shreveport with the coolest night probably Friday night, and then the 7-day forecast for Texarkana showing you dry conditions basically for the rest of the week as we'll see mid to upper 80s for the next few days, then low 90s for the rest of the week. Nighttime lows will settle into the mid to upper 60s for Friday and Saturday night, and then we'll see low 70s return just in time for early next week. And all in all, the Labor Day weekend looking rather nice with highs low to middle 90s, lows pretty close to 70 degrees. So all in all, if you got missed by the rain, although most of us did get it today, looks like we have another shot for the showers and thunderstorms again tonight as well as Wednesday.